If you've just got a Phantomgogo electric scooter, setting up the app is what unlocks its full potential. Things like speed tracking, battery monitoring, and control features all live inside the app. But here's where people get stuck. The scooter powers on, but the app doesn't connect, or it doesn't show up at all. That's usually because the pairing process wasn't done in the right order. These scooters rely on Bluetooth syncing, and timing matters when linking the app to the device. Once you set it up correctly, everything becomes seamless and automatic every time you ride. Let's go step by step and get it connected properly. So, try this. 1. Download and install the Phantom Gogo app from your App Store. 2. Open the app and create an account or login. 3. Turn on your scooter to activate Bluetooth. 4. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and search for nearby devices. 5. Select your scooter from the app's device list to connect. 6. Confirm connection and check app dashboard for status.